My name is Stephanie Carls. This is my project for problem 5-2 from Module 5. Our objective was to write a program that would determine the next color of a stoplight based on its current color. So what we should see when we run this, it'll ask you enter a color code, 1 for red, 2 for yellow, 3 for green. And so if we enter red, we should see that the next traffic light is green. If we run it again and say our color is yellow, our next traffic light's going to be red. And then if our light is currently green, the next light should be yellow. If you give a color code other than 1, 2, or 3, like 0, it'll tell you invalid color, or 4, invalid color, 5, any color other than 1, 2, or 3, it should tell us invalid color. Some issues that I ran into, it gives me an alert for a switch statement, which is covered in lesson 3 of this module. Some other issues I had were down here where I was asking it to give the invalid color response. I tried giving a next color value and it wasn't necessary because there is no next color. It's just going to be an invalid color response. And then just basic formatting issues. I'm still, making sure spelling and the semicolon at the end, that kind of thing. There's my project.